guys, for today gagawa tayo ng sticky ginger chili roast chicken. First, prepare all the ingredients needed in this recipe. Wash and clean the chicken thoroughly. Pat dry with kitchen paper towel. For the marinade, place all the ingredients in a food processor and blend until smooth. After blend all the ingredients, mix to the chicken. Use Ziploc bag to marinate the chicken and put in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. After 2 to 3 hours, you can start to roast the chicken. Place the ginger into the cavity of the chicken. Place the chicken in a roasting tray of the air fryer. Brush half of the marinade over the chicken. Roast in air fryer for 30 to 45 minutes at about 185 degrees Celsius. In the meantime, place the remaining marinade in a saucepan over medium heat. Simmer for 4 to 5 minutes or until thickened slightly. Remove the chicken from the air fryer. Cut the chicken into pieces. Place the pieces chicken in a pan along with the remaining sauce. Simmer for a while until the sauce becomes thickened. So it's done! Hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comments, and share.